Welcome to the annual General Meet Beyond Boundaries. Today, let's take a look at what we achieved together in the year 2025 to 26. We grow 0 to 450 franchises. We dream big. We build strong. We believe in education. We empower teachers. We build family. Last year, YTPL successfully organized AGM 2025 Wings of Wisdom. And the response from our franchisees was truly overwhelming. It was not just an event. It was a platform where efforts were recognized, ideas were shared, and motivation was created. This year, YTPL took another important step by launching new courses. Varli Art, which connects students with our traditional culture and helps them build a deeper connection with creativity. Phonics, where students are learning English reading in a simple and effective way. And Rubik's Cube, improving focus, logic, and problem-solving skills. Today, YTPL is growing faster than ever, with 450 plus franchisees. Today, YTPL has crossed the boundaries of Maharashtra and even India, Jordan, Dubai, Japan, Ireland. The world is joining the YTPL family. To create bigger opportunities, YTPL introduced the Master Franchisee concept. In Abacus and Vedic Maths, we are building leaders. YTPL continues to organize national and international online competitions every year. These competitions are conducted in a live one-to-one format, which ensures transparency, builds confidence in students, and gives them a chance to perform on a global platform. At YTPL, every student's effort is valued, appreciated, and celebrated. Through our national and international online competitions, students get the opportunity to showcase their talent, confidence, and skills on a global platform. Every competition is conducted with complete transparency, ensuring a fair and inspiring experience for all participants. Every student is honored with a trophy, medal, and certificate as a recognition of their dedication and hard work, while the winners receive special championship trophies and prestigious awards for their outstanding performance. At YTPL, we believe that every participant is a winner, every effort deserves appreciation, and every achievement inspires students to dream bigger, perform better, and reach new heights of success. One of the biggest highlights of this year is the Master of Abacus program. Students who completed all levels were honored with degree cap, trophy, gold medal, and certificate. This is not just an award, it is a moment of pride for students, parents, and teachers. At YTPL, we don't just start businesses, we support them continuously. This year, we provided online student support to our franchisee. We stand together. At every stage, YTPL organized exclusive masterclass for franchisee growth and motivation. In today's digital world, online presence is essential. That's why YTPL provides ready-to-use, attractive advertisement videos and promotional content for every franchisee. Along with Facebook and video advertising training, we help generate more leads, reach more parents, and increase admissions. We believe quality should always improve. This year, YTPL introduced updated books and newly designed certificates to provide better learning and a more professional experience. At YTPL, we believe learning becomes more meaningful when every achievement and every special occasion is celebrated. That's why we encourage our franchisees to celebrate important days with their students and parents. From Children's Day, Women's Day, Teachers' Day, Guru Purnima, Independence Day, Republic Day, and many more special occasions, YTPL provides creative ideas, ready-to-use content, and complete guidance to make every celebration memorable. These celebrations strengthen student engagement, build parent trust, and create a joyful learning environment. Along with online success, YTPL proudly brought back offline competitions. Our Pune, Alandi competition witnessed the enthusiastic participation of over 100 students. Students showcased their skills, competed with confidence, and celebrated their achievements by winning trophies, medals, and certificates. It was a day filled with learning, excitement, and unforgettable memories. The excitement continued at our Shigaon offline competition. With more than 350 students participating, the event became a grand celebration of talent and confidence. Students gave outstanding performances, won numerous trophies and awards, and created unforgettable moments with their parents and teachers. This is the YTPL spirit, where every competition inspires every child to achieve greater success. Every effort deserves recognition. YTPL honored its teachers and franchisees through awards and appreciation. These moments bring confidence and motivate everyone to do even better. This 1 year was filled with dreams, dedication, growth, and success. Every new franchisee, every student admission, every competition, every achievement became a milestone in the YTPL journey. YTPL is not just a company. It is a family where franchisees, teachers, students, and parents grow together, inspire each other, and celebrate every success together. The journey doesn't end here. This is just the beginning. With greater passion, bigger dreams, and a stronger vision, let's continue creating opportunities, building successful careers, and transforming lives. Together, let's move beyond the boundaries. Thank you for your trust, your support, and for being a proud part of the YTPL family.